Hello guys, in this video we're going to be comparing your Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer 6.5 liter versus the 4 liter. So here we are already in their actual page and we want to compare these two right here. So we'll be comparing them side by side basically, and which one is better and which one you should buy. So here we have our Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer Pro 4 liters, and you also have your Smart Air Fryer 6.5 liters. So mainly, of course, you're going to notice the difference, which is the size. So this will be depending on your preference. Which one do you need? It's going to be the 4 liter or the 6.5 liter. So, of course, if you want a small one, more compact and overall optimal volume only, 4 liters is the best for you. If you want something bigger and you want to cook larger meals, you want to go with the 6.5 liter version. So first, you're going to have your transparent window design, and here you don't have one. So basically you're gonna have your controls here in the knob right here, as you can see, and it's gonna have your 360 heated air circulation frying system. Same goes with here, and it also automatically keeps it warm with both basically. So there you go. So we want to actually just go to the specs of both of these and let's check it out. So here we have our Smart Air Fryer Pro 4 liters, and here it says that it's 4 liters made of alloy, and when we go right here it's also 1.6 liters, but basically here it doesn't says what it's made out of basically. So it's pretty weird comparison between these two. So they have it in white and black, and they also have this in white only in the 4 liter version. So the overall dimensions is going to be listed here if you need it, as you can see. So it has wireless connectivity using Wi-Fi. Both of them have it. So basically you're going to get your air fryer, your fine tray, and your grill in the 4 liter, and you're going to get the same thing in the 6.5 liter. So it's not going to say much right here, but basically this will just really depend on your preference. If you want an actual air fryer that has its own viewing grill right here, or your transparent windows design if you want it. So it's gonna look like the old one with the 6.5 liter right here. So you have smart controls, of course, with 24-hour smart cook right here, and you also have your 24-hour smart control cook right here, but it's not going to be listed here because it's going to be more. There you go. Here, 24-hour scheduling in advance, and here you can also do the same. So you both have app control for this, and just boils down to the fact that if you want a bigger one and you don't really need that transparent look, you can go with the 6.5. But if you need more compact one and you want the transparent look, you can also go with this, because basically they have the same features and there's no much difference to them both, except they're just larger and the other one's smaller. So this will just boil down to the fact again that it will depend on your preference. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.